Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Joyrina Bella from Anesthesiology class B7. First of all, thank you for the opportunity so that I can improve my grades with this assignment. The reason why my English grade was E in semester 3 was that it was the first time I studied online using the Scalsa web. To be honest, I was a little slowly about technology. I didn't know that I had to be absent independently in Scalsa when I was already following Zoom. The lack of information about lectures and how to upload assignment in Scalsa and busyness during a pandemic due to assignment and online lectures which sometimes change schedule. 5 rules in the public place such as we have to throw garbage in dustbin. We have to quiet in an orderly manner. We have to keep our goods safe. We must obey the rules in the place we go. We must wear masks and wash our hands frequently. If I could turn back time, I would be update. I will be update about lectures information, manage my time better so I don't miss lectures and do my on time, and lastly use the time to improve my English skill. That all that's all I can say to fulfill this assignment. Hopefully I can improve my grades. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.